Hi, this is Amitabh, and I'm going to talk to you about the new course that we've launched, which is called Google Web Analytics for Managers. So, of course, this is a web analytics course, and this is meant for business leaders and practitioners of web analytics. So, this course is for anyone who deals with web data, anyone whose businesses interface with websites, and whose job is to look at various kinds of reports, make meaning from it, and drive the businesses using the insights that he's getting from the report. So whether you are in marketing functions, finance functions, or supply chain, or you are running a business as an SMB business owner, or you are the CXO, this program is for you. So in this program, we start right from basics. So we teach you how to set up and implement Google Analytics. And from there, we take on and we look at what are the standard reports which is available. How can you customize the reports? What kind of segmentation that you can do? What kind of dashboards you can build to take it to the far more complex topics around attribution models, around goals, funnels, conversion tracking, content optimization. Essentially, we help you get as much insights from the data as possible so that you're able to take your business forward. So, what do you get from this program? So, one tangible thing that you get is a completion certificate that we give out. That will be from Ads for Growth, the company that I run. But I think most importantly, you will become an analytics ninja if you follow it properly and if you do the exercises that we give out. So that should be a goal, to become an analytics ninja, become an expert in the whole field of analytics. Because I feel that analytics is the whole fabric around which your entire website, internet marketing is built. So if you are not sure about your analytics, then I'm not sure if you can handle your marketing functions well, you can manage your business well. And I mean online business and online marketing. Now, what is this not about? So, this program is not about developers and coders who want to learn complex analytics implementation. So, for example, if you want to learn how to put event tracking on Flash sites, then maybe this is not the program for you. Okay. So, what are these sessions scheduled? So, we have 7 sessions of 90 minutes each, during which we take you through the entire program. And here are these sessions. The first session will be about setting up analytics, and it's just not about copying one piece of code and putting it up on all the sites. It's a far more complex than that, and we are going to teach you all about what kind of data can you get from your website, right from the page view data to conversion data to event data, etc., etc. Apart from that, we will also learn about the basic terminology that people use while using analytics, or the terms that the analytics reports throw up. So you understand those reports, you understand the data, the matrix and measurement. You also understand the differences between them. So, for example, you will understand the difference between a page view and a visit. You will understand what are bounce rates. You will understand what is conversion tracking, conversions, attribution, whatever it is. So we are going to take you through the entire set of basic terminology. Then we move to standard reports, and Google Analytics has a lot of great standard reporting that will help you measure from where is the traffic coming, the acquisition, the behavior on site, what do they do once they come on the site, do they convert or don't they convert, and why are they not converting, so etc., etc. So we look at the standard reports. Then we'll move to custom segmentation. To get insights, you need to segment the data. So for example, we will look at which marketing channel is giving you the highest number of data which converts, and you can actually combine the cost data with the expense data or with the revenue data, so you get the overall ROI picture channel wise. So we learn how to do this. And then we'll also learn how to set up our custom reporting, reports that make sense for our businesses or the functions that we are running. We'll learn how to use filters to help us with custom reporting and segmentation. Then the next session, we are going to look at goals, funnels, and conversion tracking. We will see how to set it up. We'll see what are the clickstream reports that we can rely on, what is the goal flow, etc. Then we'll see how to link our AdWords accounts to analytics accounts, because only then you will be able to look at the entire end-to-end picture of what happens when people click on your ads, go onto the site, and how are they behaving on it. And finally, we'll also look at event tracking. Now, in today's Web 2.0 scenario, a lot of events happen on our site. For example, people click on videos. So we'll be able to look at those events and we'll see how to measure them. Using event tracking, you can also measure activities wherein the URL of the website doesn't change. And as you may be aware, the entire analytics is based on the fact that whenever somebody moves from one page to the other or clicks on a link, the URL of the website changes, But in an event scenario, they don't change. For example, if I am on a site, I can click on a video, watch a video without the URL of the site changing, okay? So event tracking helps us do that. Then we'll also look at what are the reports that matter to you as a business leader, and how do you need to set up your KPIs, your benchmarks, what kind of goals do you need to have. And we'll also look at a couple of models that you can use to fix your reporting. So that's the lesson number 5. On 6, we look at attribution models. So we'll see what are the different attribution models available and how can you use them. And just a little bit about attribution modeling. So generally and typically, there are various sources of traffic, and some of them are paid, some of them are non-paid. And even under paid, there are various forms of marketing that we do, right from sending an emailer, running ads on Google Search, Display Network, Facebook, social, and sometimes, in fact, a lot of times, multiple of these activities result in your goal attainment. So let's say you are a Nike site and you're selling shoes. The guy who buys his shoes today may have touched or may have come through multiple of these channels. So for example, he may have got a mailer from you, and using the mailer, he would have come to the site for the first time. But he wouldn't have bought it. He would have gone back, then he saw an ad for you on Google search. So he clicked on the ad, came to the site. Now he wants to buy. But for example, he may not have a credit card information that time. So third time, he may come to your site directly by typing your website address. So if you're using a very basic rudimentary model, it will put all the weightage on the last click. So which is the direct, and he'll say that, okay, this acquisition has happened because of direct, and you will wrongly attribute this to your PR activity that you're doing, etc. While in reality, your mailer, your Google ad has contributed a lot in acquiring this customer. So attribution models help us with figuring out how to allocate our resources within the channels that we have. And we can pick the model that we want. There are various models available, right from the last click attribution to the first click attribution to evenly attributing various sources, etc. We'll also look at social media tracking. So currently, social media is becoming lots and lots important. So we will see how to track social media activities, see how social media is impacting your goals and your business results. So we'll learn a lot more about social media tracking, which is now available inside Google Analytics. So final session will be on website content optimization. Now this is an area which is very close to my heart, especially because I feel that there is a lot of wastage of advertising money because our websites are not structured properly. So for example, we spend money to drive traffic through AdWords or Facebook ads or mailers, But because our website is not structured well, or there's too much clutter on the website, people just bounce off from there without actually purchasing or giving them their data so that we can call them back. So by making some changes on the website or maybe decluttering the website, our conversion rates can become so much better, and so will our ROI, and ultimately it's a win-win for everybody. The ad networks get more money because the ads are driving a lot of traffic, which is getting us results, while we are also happy a lot. So there are some techniques like A/B testing, multivariate testing, and we will see how to run them using Google Analytics. So that will be the last session in this program. So this program is run through Google Hangout, a web conferencing tool. The benefit is that you can actually log in from wherever you are. Only thing is that it's a specified time, so it's not a recorded session, it's a live session, but you have the flexibility, which is so very important nowadays, especially with the traffic on the road and the distances we are required to travel. So at least you will not be needed to travel for this session. So all you need is good internet connection, and I would say a broadband connection, and your laptop, a computer with headphone and mic. The classes are interactive, and I really try to make it that way. So there are questions to be answered, insights to be shared, exercises to be done, and hence I also limit the class size to maximum 12, for so that there is at one end we have a few people so that there is some interaction. On the other hand, it's not a fish market so that we don't hear each other. So it's properly classes are properly done, so we get the most out of the time that we spend. So the first batch that I'm launching on 20th of April has sessions every Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. The subsequent batches may have different timings. So if you are interested, let me know. Cool. So my name is Amitav, like I said, founder at For Growth, 15 years of experience. Last 7 years with Google, wherein I was the head of SMB services from India. Also, we are doing 3 training programs. This is the third one. The other 2 that we are running is on Google AdWords certification program, and the second is social media marketing program. So if you're also interested in learning more about any one of them, shoot me a mail. And this is how you can do that. So my email ID is amitav@adsforgrowth.com. So if you want to learn more about the program, course fees, dates, just write to me. And if you're early, I may have an offer for you. Okay, thank you very much.